Yeah, Manojit, you have any doubts or have you practiced anything till now? Have you got any chance to practice? Have you? Hello?
Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Yes, I have practiced whatever you last. Yes, hello.
Ah,
Hello.
yeah. Yeah, Manojit. You have practiced, right? So, have you got any doubts?
Whatever. Yeah. What? Yes. Oh, it's fine. I
You
have
have any
practiced in
doubts?
my own machine actually. On
Okay, that's fine. Today we'll see the
those things. No, it's fine.
yeah. Okay, that's fine. We'll see the rate determination process. Okay. In the rate determination, basically, it's a combination of your rate type and as well as rate category. Okay. So when you assign rate type, rate category, and then you will maintain particular rates for this. So at the time of billing engine, what will happen? Based on this rate determination, it picks the suitable rates, and rates will be determined, charges will be calculated. For this purpose, we need to do the rate determination. Manojit, am I audible? Hello, Manojit, am I audible? Are you able to hear me? Hello. 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 Are you there, Manojit? Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, Manojit, can you give me your Gmail ID? If you miss something over here, so that
Yeah,
I
sure.
can ping it in the Gmail. Just to type over there so that I'll include.
Okay. Can you please tell me your yeah, ID?
It's a Ramana Babu Y at the
Gmail
rate.
ID.
Yeah. I'm typing there. Just copy it. This is my Gmail ID. Okay. Just give me your test mail so that I have a few documents. I'll share you those documents. Okay.
Yeah, I have sent already.
Okay. Do you have Some internet problem? Hello?
Sometimes it may happen that sometimes it may. Yes. Hello. Hello.
Yeah. That's what, I think today you have some net connection problem. Yeah, hello.
Yes. Sometimes it is disconnected. Got disconnected. Hello.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah. Hello, Manojit, are you there?
Yes, I
Hello.
am here.
Okay. I think you have some
Yeah, I am
internet
here.
connection problem. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You have some internet connection problem. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Today,
Yes.
okay, we'll start the session now. Basically, rate type along with the rate category will determine the rate. At the time of billing
Okay.
engine, what will happen? No, you maintain the rate category at in the installation level. So at the time of billing engine, it picks the rate category and then it checks it in rate determination process for with the suitable rate type, and then it picks the rate. If the rates have been assigned for that particular defined period, then rates will be determined in the billing engine and the charges will be calculated. That is the process. Okay, so now we'll see how
Okay.
rate determination will happen. We have created rate category as a consumption 01 or something. Just a minute, we'll see.
Okay.
Consumption 01 we have created, and rate type. Okay, jet register. This is the rate type we have created. So here we have a creation button. Okay, create rate determination. Just click on this so that you will reach this screen. After this, again click on this insert period. Sorry. This insert period, sometimes what will happen with the same rate type and rate category, we will have different rates. For certain period you wanted to determine some rates, and some other period if you want to determine other rates, then you can give this valid from and valid to, and you can assign the rates. Okay, that is possible.
Okay.
Now we'll see, we'll give the valid from date, then come over here, and then whatever the rates we have created and assigned it in the schema level, just select that one, assign like this, and then click on that so that it will be assigned over here. Okay, this is the way.
Okay.
After this, save the rate determination process. Now we have done the rate determination for consumption billing.
Okay.
Consumption rate. Okay, this is how, so till here it's all about billing master data, like your variant programs, rate types, operands, prices, schemas, rate category, and rate determination. It's a basically. Okay, based on our scenario, our logic may be changed. I mean, rate creation logic may be changed. Okay, for example, if it is rental billing, we need to create a price class and price level. We need to maintain over there. Correct. And then if it is a flat rate we need to check the facts permissibility, and then rates also we need to create as a flat permissible rates, prices also flat permissible rates, and then create the assign it in the schema level, and then create a rate category, or you can assign the same flat rate set in the existing schema also, and then we need to do the rate determination. Now today we will see the facts permissibility scenario, entire scenario. We will see how we need to create the rate type, rates, and rate category, how can we maintain it, and how we can do the rate determination process. That one we'll do it.
Okay.
It's a heart of billing and invoicing. Whatever
Okay.
Last few classes we are doing it, right? It's a hot. Basically, without understanding of this one, we cannot do anything.
Okay. Hello.
Uh,
Actually, you have, whatever you have sent the document, it is not open.
it's not open. I sent the doc. You could not open it.
Yes.
Actually, it's a link. I have uploaded. I think you need to go to the Gmail and then give the password
No.
and all. I'll share you the Gmail ID and the password. Just a minute. ID will be sapisu1@gmail.com. This is the ID. That will be the ID and password. Just Ramana Papu. This is the password.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, check it. Just go to the
Okay.
Google Drive. There, give the ID password, and then you can open it.
Okay.
Yep. But now we'll see the facts permissibility rates and everything. Okay. So for this, first we need to define the rate
Okay.
type, because the rate type we have different permissibilities, right? Like the register permissibility, facts, device, and interval permissibility. Correct. So just go for flat rate. Which permissibility we need to select? Do you have any idea about it? What, Manojit?
Yes. Just a minute. For flat rate. Just
See, I'll repeat again. Here we have different permissibilities: register permissibility, device permissibility, facts permissibility, and interval permissibility.
okay.
Register permissibility will be used for consumption billing purpose.
Consumption billing.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, because the quantity which you will get it from the register level. For that, in those cases, we need to select rate type as a register permissibility. And for rental billing purpose, we need to use device permissibility.
Device
If it is
permissibility.
flat
Yes.
rate, if it is a flat rate, then we need to use facts permissibility. Okay.
Okay.
Just that flat I have created the rate type. Okay. Come to the rates and define rate. It's a fixed charges, right? Just I am giving fixed _01. Sorry. Correct. So it's also specific to division and as well as the billing class. So here we need to give the text. We have given as a residential fixed charges, and in a rate, it's a rate. Okay, rate creation. In the rate header level, we have different permissibilities like register permissibility, interval, device, and facts permissibility. Since we are creating as a fixed charges, okay, So for their fixed charges at a rate type level, we have selected as a
Mhm.
facts permissibility rate type. The same way, while creating the rate also, we need to select
Okay.
facts permissibility rate. Okay. When you select facts permissibility rate,
Okay. Okay.
that time you need not to give the register operand. Okay. Got it? When you select the
Okay.
facts permissibility rate, you need not to
Yes.
give the
Mhm.
register operand. Why? Why it's not required?
Because the
Why?
register operands are only for the consumption.
Correct. That's true. Register operand basically we'll be using it for for calculating the consumption from the register. If you are getting some consumption from the register, it may be
Yes.
quantity or demand. Those cases only we will maintain the register operand. Other cases it is not required at all.
Mhm.
So just leave it. Okay. And then go to the rate steps, and then
Mhm.
in variant programs we have different variants SAP has provided. So back BI variants, it's for back billing purpose, and compute variants are there. It's for compute algorithmic arithmetic purpose. For example, subtracting or adding two amounts, or facts calculation or update amounts and all. For this purpose, we can use compute. And then we have demand variants. It's for demand calculations purpose, and then discount variants are there. And for DPC billing, dynamic back billing purpose, we'll use Dyn BI01 variants, and else and if also we can use it whenever you use if variants variant program. If you want to maintain some conditions set
Okay.
in the variant program, you can maintain it. And in fact variants, no, for example, you are getting some consumption it in the from register, you are getting it in the rate steps level. So this consumption, if you want to maintain it at the installation facts level, just use these in fact variants, so that at the time of billing, the consumption will be determined, and you can see the consumption at in your installation facts level. We'll see that one. And then this
Okay.
lump sum, it's basically for flat rate purpose. It's for flat rate purpose. For example, if you want to calculate some fixed amount, those cases only we'll use lump
Okay.
sum variance. And for quantity calculations purpose, we use quantity variance. Okay. Why I'm
Okay.
repeating again and again, because these are the things are basics and very important. You should learn these things. Okay, so my rate is a fixed charges. So for fixed charges, I need to use lump sum variant programs. So lump sum 01 is there, so I'm using that one. Okay. See, if I go to the lump sum 01 variant program, if I double click on that, so I have some L price
Mhm.
and some factor. It's calculating with the factor, so that I'm getting some amount. Okay.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
just select debit sub transaction. Our debit sub transaction, yesterday we have seen consumption. I mean, in these cases, if you require separate debit and credit sub transaction for fixed charges, yesterday we have seen, right? So just to go to the FICS settings, create your own for, I mean, sub transactions for fixed charges separately, and maintain the values over there, so that at the so those sub transactions you can use it in your rate steps level, or else you can use the existing one also. There is no harm in that. So credit sub transactions, budget billing credit and budget billing debit sub transactions also we need to maintain.
Okay.
And period control, and then mm, That's at flat underscore 01. It's L price, flat rate, then save it, and then factor, correct? Another
Yes.
operand is a factor.
Yes.
Factor. Save it. Output I'll be getting as an amount.
Amount.
Okay, so I can use the same thing, or else if you want to create a separate amount for this, separate operand for this, you can create it. Flat underscore AMT. Save it, and then save this one. Okay, so we have created fixed rate, right?
Yes.
So here now we need to assign the facts for this, right? We are not assigning the facts. Just go to the facts, give the fact group. Yesterday we have created fact group as 1000. Okay, so I'll just select this one. Factor 01. For factor I'm giving 1. Okay, 01 01 20 122 31 12 9999. I'm giving factor as 1. Okay, so just you can copy the same thing. Basically fixed charges means is fixed charges. That means
Okay.
we are giving charges at in rate steps level itself. Okay, so whenever this rate has triggered, so everything will be calculated in that way. 31 12 999, and then flat underscore price, correct? So when you click on this one, create price for this, currency INR. Tell me now, no, it's a fixed charge. So which price category it will be picked up? We have different price categories, right? So quantity based price, flat rate, rental price, time dependent price, correct? So
Yeah,
if it is a consumption, correct. If it is consumption billing, then we need to select as a quantity based price. If it is a rental billing, then we need to select a rental price. If it's a fixed charges calculations, in those cases we need to select
rental
flat rate.
Yeah.
Flat rate. If it is a fixed charge, then
Flat
we need
rate.
to select
Yes.
flat rate. Okay.
Yes. Flat rate. Yes.
This flat rate for 1 month, or how you want to give. If you want to calculate this flat rate on 15 days once, okay, if you give the 15 days here, if your billing cycle is 30 days, then it will be prorated and it will be calculated based on the days base. If you select a month base, okay, so if you have selected 1 month, okay, so if your billing period is 1 month, then your fixed charges for it will be calculated for 1 month only. Okay, it will not be prorated.
Okay.
If it is a 2 months billing, I mean your number of days are 60 days, but we are creating a price for 1 month, then it will be prorated. See, 1 month is 30 rupees. For 60 days, how much? Okay, 30 into 2, correct? So 60
Yes.
rupees. It will be determined with the 60 rupees. It will be calculated like this. And then go to the history. Here we need to maintain the price for the this one 01 01 2012 to 3112,999, and then you can maintain the some amount over here like 120 rupees or something you can maintain and copy it. After copying it, just save it. And then transfer the amount. So whenever these fixed charges rates have been triggered in the billing engine, so these are the charges will be calculated. You have given 120 rupees. If you are creating a monthly billing, so 120 rupees will be determined. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the way to create the rates and fixed charges for the prices, everything. Now we will create the schema, separate schema for this. See, there are two things. If you want to create one bill, like initially we have discussed about consumption. If you look into the any bill, there are different charges are existing, like consumption charges and rental charges, fixed charges. So if you want to determine all these charges in one bill, in that case, all these rates, we have created consumption as a separate rate, and now we have created fixed charges as a separate rate. We are going to be creating rental charges as a separate rate, correct? So all these rates, we need to maintain it in the schema level, same schema level.
Okay.
So that what will happen, only one rate category will be triggered, and then required rates will be determined, charges will be calculated. It will be like that. So first time we are doing it, so let's take a separate schema and separate rate category, and then we'll check it up. After that, all these rates we'll use in one schema, and we'll see in one rate category itself. Okay. Now create the schema for this flat underscore 01. Click on this one. Fixed charges. Go to the schema steps. Insert rate. So this is the fixed charges which we have created just now. Select these fixed charges and assign it over here. Okay. So see, yesterday also we have discussed about posting relevant. If this line item is relevant for posting, then system will propose automatically this check. If you uncheck this one, this line item amount will not be posted. So always check this box.
Yes.
In some cases, what will happen, if you want to ignore some particular steps in your billing logic level, then you can check this checkbox so that that particular line item will be ignored. Got it?
Yes.
So select this one and then save it. Okay. So now we have created the schema, correct? Now you tell me if it is a register permissibility rate type. Okay. Hello, Manojit, are you there? Hello, Manojit. Hello. Hello.
No.
Yeah. Okay. If it is in register permissibility rate type, where you will maintain the rate type, in which master data level you will maintain the rate type. If it is register permissibility rate type, okay, let's say reframe the question like this. If it is consumption billing, okay, where you maintain the rate type, in which master data level? Consumption billing.
In the register level, we have to maintain.
Correct, 100% correct. If it is consumption billing, we need to maintain the rate type at the register level. If it is rental billing, then we need to
Device
maintain the
level.
rate type.
Device level.
Correct. If it is fixed charges,
Fact level.
correct, absolutely correct. If it is a fixed charges, then we have two master datas, rate category facts and installation facts level. Any no,
Okay.
if you maintain some value at the installation facts level at the time of billing engine, you check it first. You check it in the installation. If something is there at an installation level for that particular operand, then it picks the value and rates will be determined. If you don't maintain, if you are not maintaining anything in the installation facts level, then it goes to rate category facts and it checks for the value. If something is there, and then your rates will be determined. Okay. It will be like that. Now just go to the rate category and then flat rate underscore 01 and my division will be 01. The billing class we have created as a flat underscore 01. Okay. Now you cannot assign anything now. Okay.
Hello. What is outsorting check group?
I'll explain you at the time of outsorting concept.
Okay.
Actually, in SAP ISU we have outsorting concept. We can give limitations for your billing amount or your invoice amount. If your bill amount or invoice amount is not within the limits, for example, let's say for industrial customers, okay, for industrial customers, minimum amount you have defined as a 1 lakh rupee and maximum 1 crore rupee. If the industrial customer amount is not within the limits, bill amount is not within the limits, 1 lakh to 1 crore, its bill amount is, let's say, it's 2 crore, then it's more than the my limitation, correct? So the bill automatically it will be outsorted. Bill will be outsorted. So if the bill has been outsorted, you cannot create invoice for that particular bill. In outsorting concept, we have different options, like you can release the outsorting bill using EA05 transaction code, or you can reverse the billing document. Okay, these are the options that are available in outsorting concept. So at the time of outsorting, I'll explain you, because for that we need to create one billing document, then only you can understand outsorting concept. Okay. This outsorting we can maintain it in the contract account level and as well as contract level. Okay. So if you maintain something basically in billing and invoicing, that means your billing will happen at in contract level. Just you remember this also. It's also very important. Bill will happen at contract level. Invoice
and
will happen.
Invoice is contract account level.
Correct. Absolutely right. Bill invoice will happen at in contract account level. Okay. So if you want to check it your outsorting amounts at an invoice level, then you need to maintain the outsorting checking group at in contract account level, so that it will be triggered. Okay. Now if you go to the facts level, I need to maintain certain values. Okay. Some rate for rate type, I need to maintain it in the rate category facts. Then only my rates will be determined. Otherwise, it will not be determined. But before doing this, first we need to do the normal rate determination process. That is my rate category, and the rate type is jet flat. This is my rate type, correct? Create, and then create. This was assign 0101 2012, and then go to the rate. In this rate level, check the required rate, okay, and then save it. So we have done the rate determination. So we need
Okay.
to maintain the rate type, right? Because flat rate basically where we can maintain the rate type at in installation facts or rate category facts, but we are not
Rate
maintain.
category fact. Yes.
Correct. We are not maintain any rate type at in rate category facts level. Correct. If I go to the, see, this is important. Okay. Check this. No, if I go to the rate category facts, I cannot maintain the rate type. Okay, at in facts level, I can maintain only operands. Okay, and as well as prices. I cannot maintain rate type at in rate category facts. For this, what we need to do, we need to create one operand with operand category as a rate type. Okay, understood?
Okay.
I'll show you.
Can you please explain once?
Yeah, I'll show you. In system level, I'll show you so that you can understand. See. Basically, we have created the rate type. It's a rate type. If it is a consumption billing, then we'll maintain the rate type, the same rate type, whatever you created the rate type at in register level. If it is a rental billing, then device level will maintain. Correct?
Yes.
If it is a flat rate, then we need to create a one operand category as a rate type. This is one we need to select it. Flat underscore 01. Division will be 01. See, operand category as a rate type. This is what we are creating. Okay. This is important. This is a, it's entirely different concept. You know, this is the way we need to determine the rates for fixed charges. Charge rate type, and then copy this and then save it. Okay, now we have saved it. If I go to the facts level, I'll give them my rate type operand. Okay, 012, so that I have a rate type option here now. This is the way we need to assign the rate types at in rate category level.
Okay. Otherwise, this option will not be happened over there.
Correct. At in master data level, we cannot maintain anything. Here is the place. Basically, you can maintain the rate type. This is the process to maintain the rate type also. Okay. Then only your flat rate charges will be.
If I choose yes. If I
you can choose it.
create in maintain in the installation level, it is auto. Okay.
Yeah, you can do that. That's not a problem. Installation level also it will be. It's possible.
So then these steps. Then these steps are not required. Means
correct. That's true. These steps are not required. If you maintain something, you know, at the time of a billing engine, what will happen? First, it check all the values. It will check that in the installation facts level. If something is available at an installation facts level, so that system will give the highest priority to installation facts. If something is not there, then second priority it goes to rate category facts.
Rate category fact. Yes.
Okay. Then if something is there for that particular operand, some value if system gets, then using those values bill will happen. If it is not there, then third priority it goes to rate facts level. Okay, so that your rates will be determined in this way. Okay, so this is the way to create the rates, fixed charges. Okay, so you have any questions or something? in this
No, it's
fixed
fine.
charges.
Fine.
It's
Fixed
important.
fine.
It's important.
Yes.
Now we'll see the rate rental charges also, but for creating a rental charges there is a problem. We need to first configure the device management. Okay.
Okay.
Because we need to create the device so that that price class we need to maintain at the device level so that things will happen. Otherwise it's not possible. So how to create the rates and all, if you want me to show, I'll show you, or else okay, we'll do one thing. We don't assign any prices for that. After
Okay.
device management creation, at the time of billing we'll assign the prices. Meanwhile
Okay.
we'll create the rates and rate determination. Till rate determination we'll see. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Fine.
Just go to the rate type. Here Z rent, rental charge. See here, if it is rental charges, then we need to select the device permissibility rate type. Okay.
Device permit.
Then save it. Okay. So rate type we have created. Now we need to create the rates for this. Correct. Just go to the create rate. Okay, if it is a rental charges, we need to select the device permissibility.
Device permissibility. Yes.
Correct. Radio button. So when you select the device permissibility radio button, you need not to give the register
No,
operand
nothing
or
is register operand. Yes. Yes.
Correct. So register data, register based data is not required. Leave it. Then directly just go to rate steps and then click on the variants. So in the variant programs we have for rental charges settle variant programs. Okay. So for determining rental price, I can use settle 01. Okay. So you should aware about all the variant programs. Just to go through whenever you will get the time, just to go through group level. Don't go each and everything. It's not required.
Okay.
Just go for which scenario, which variant programs I need to use. By and large, if you look into any schema, these are the rates and these are the variants they will be using it. For example, tomorrow if you go to the office, just check it. Mainly they use consumption billing. I mean, it may be register. I mean, quanti 01 or quanti 14. If they if they have more billing steps, I mean rate steps level, more steps are existing. In that case, what they do, they use quanti 14. They pick that quantity from the register level. The same quantity, it will be used in different steps level. Based on the quantity, they'll determine the prices. So consumption prices will be determined. Based on the quantity, they determine some charges. So for that purpose, they create quanti 14. So that same quantity they can use it in the following steps. For fixed charges, they will be using it lump sum variant program. For rental charges, they can use only settle 01. This is the way how it happens. Just whenever you get the time, just check it your own system. I mean project system, so that you can understand the schema. Okay. And then you can give the debit sub transactions and credit sub transactions in real time. For each and every scenario, they'll be assigning different sub transactions and as well as different GL accounts for that. All rental charges will be posted to different GL. All consumption charges will be posted to different GL. It will be like that. And then here one thing is there, just see this one. In a device level we have device removal. There are different scenarios in device level: device removal, device installation, device replacement. These are the scenarios are existing. If device removal and device installation cases, rental charges will not be calculated properly. Yeah, Manojit, you are trying to speak something. Hello, I could not hear you what you are saying.
Replacement, yes.
I could not hear you what you are saying. Hello, Manojit? Hello? Hello?
Actually, I'm. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, Manojit, tell me. Hello? Yes, Manojit. Okay. After that, just save it.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I'm just saying it's fine. Yeah. Hello. It's fine.
Okay. After creating date, just go to the schema. Go to the schema steps. And rental charges, select this one. And then go to the rate category. And then code 01 201 total charges, outsorting checking group we can assign as a 0001, and a billing schema as a rent underscore 01 you can assign, and then save it. Then go to the rate determination process. A rate type
Hello.
you can
Hello.
assign it over here. Yeah, Manojit. Yeah, Manojit.
Actually, your screen.
Tell me.
Yeah, it's your screen was not showing, and once after completion of schema, when you are creating rate category, it was not showing in your screen.
Okay, I'll show you. After creating a schema, then we need to determine create the rate for this. Just to go to the create rate. Just I'm going to the change. Here we need to assign the billing schema for that. Okay. Yeah, that's all.
Okay.
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 So it's a obviously it's specific to the division and billing class. Maintain outsorting checking group and maintain the billing schema, and then
Okay.
come back here and then rate determination. Come to the rate determination and go to the creation 01012012 and then give the rate. This is the rate which we have created. Assign it and save it. Okay, this is how we need to determine the rates for this. But here we have not assigned the prices for this. Okay, just what we have done, we have created the rate for the rental charges, but we are not assigned the prices for this because
Price.
we need to create the device for that. So after that only we can assign the prices to rate facts level. Okay, so just practice these three things. If you look into the billing master, if you're working as a ISU billing and invoicing consultant, if you are in the implementation project, you will be creating, and as well as 90% of the cases you will be using these three types of rates only. One is consumption billing, that is register permissibility rates, and device permissibility rates, and facts permissibility rates. If it is UK US scenarios, maximum cases you will be using instead of register permissibility rates, you will be using interval permissibility rates and RTP interface and all you will be creating. That scenario we'll see at the time of EDM concept and all. Okay, so till here just practice it, all these rates, different types of rates, and particularly flat rate. Know how to determine the flat rate, and we have created operand category as a rate type and assigned it in the rate category facts level. Okay, that one just practice it. Okay, tomorrow we'll see the billing execution, and as well as try to complete billing, and we'll see the outsorting, billing reversal and everything. And then invoicing, and we'll see that we'll go to the device management and then customer service we'll see. Okay, so till the class, so you have any doubts or anything, just please let me know. You can mail me also while practicing. If you stuck up somewhere, mail me, or you can call me also. You can call to my number 7874532856. This is my number. Okay. Okay, Manojit, you have this system or different system? Are you practicing on the same system? Hello? Hello, Manojit. Hello? Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Hello? Hello, hello. Hello, Manojit. Okay then, we'll meet tomorrow. Hello, Manojit.
Hello?
Yeah, Manojit.
Hello?
Okay, just so you practice. Yeah. Hello. You practice today's class, okay? Tomorrow we'll see. I think you have some internet problem, right? Today you're facing some problem with the
No,
internet.
actually, I think there is a problem with size server, like GoToMeeting server.
Acha, there is no problem with your internet connection. In that case, we'll no.
No,
If you are facing some problem with GoToMeeting, then we'll use TeamViewer and Skype. I have a TeamViewer and Skype as well. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll decide.
okay,
We don't use GoToMeeting. We use TeamViewer and Skype. That will be good actually. Okay.
okay.
What do you say?
Let's check. We will try first. First of all, we try to GoToMeeting. Then if it is not working, then otherwise I have to again install it. TeamViewer and Skype.
Okay, okay. In that case, okay, fine. We use if it is GoToMeeting is fine, then we can continue with the same thing. If it is not working properly, then we use TeamViewer and
no, just do one thing. I am just attached you in my Gmail account. So if there is any then I will just ping that whether I am getting you or not.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Tomorrow at what time we will meet? Because Murli is not joining in our session, so just you decide the one time.
8:30 is better. 8:30 is better.
Yeah, 8:30 for me also. 8:30 is okay. Okay, so we'll meet at 8:30. That's fine.
Okay,
right?
so I am just communicating this thing to Sai that tomorrow 8:30 our class will be held.
Yeah. So that today I was waiting actually. He has not sent any request.
Yeah, I was also waiting. I was also waiting, but nobody was there actually.
Okay. Have you got a request? I mean, this GoToMeeting request.
No. I did not receive any request today. So because I was not there.
So he has to. Yeah, that's correct. He has to send the request right by 8:30. So just you communicate with him. Class will be at 8:30, something around like that. So